Tameron Gulf Coast always has the best selection of pre-owned vehicles, and today we have this 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT pickup. On the exterior we have heated and power door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, and a rear step bumper. On the inside we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This one-owner 2019 GMC Sierra has less than 48,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call at 251-626-2641 or visit us at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.